This is the iPhone 15. So, iPhone 15 is here. I got the blue variant as it makes the most sense of all the color options this year. And seeing this in real life, this looks more white than blue, which is strange. The back feels really good though. In the box we have a Type-C charging cable, finally. The good thing is that it is braided. And then there are some papers along with the Apple sticker. Let's peel the paper. This is always so satisfying. This is the first time I have actually owned an iPhone, so I'm still getting used to it. Moving from Android is a big jump. But if you're going to make it, this year might be the year for it. The new iPhones have Type-C, iOS is more polished than ever, and overall it just seems that this is the year for iPhones. Setting up the phone is super easy, and you can move your stuff using the Move to iOS app, including your WhatsApp data, which is really good. Now, of course, this is just an unboxing video. I will be testing this in the next couple of weeks to have my opinions on it, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, subscribe for that, and thanks for watching. Until next time.